So Mellow flew from um, there. So Mellow flew from there to there. That's a good about 10 feet, right, Mellow? So now she's playing with the parakeets. I don't know if playing or what are you doing, Mellow? I guess she wanted to meet the parakeets. Uh-oh. Let's see if she's gonna fly again. Yeah, I think her wings are almost there, so she can pretty much fly now. She doesn't have control yet of how to fly, but she can pretty much fly. It's already there, right, Mellow? Oh. Yeah, watch out for that blue one. Siani. That's her name. She's a little out of control. The green one is a bit calmer than the blue. The blue is like a bully to the green one. Yeah. What are you doing up there? You flew there, so how are you gonna get out of there? You gonna fly away this time? Yeah. There she goes. Whoa. Flew all the way there. Now she's coming back. Whoa, that's pretty far, Mellow. That's like the entire living room.